Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how stable the Bebop 2 is in the wind. So this will be very interesting. And I thought I would show a video footage I did with my Breeze 4K a couple of months ago, just to show you the difference in Electronic Image Stabilization, EIS, between the Breeze and the Bebop. So just keep in mind that the Bebop is more expensive than the Breeze. So let's have a look first at the Yuneec Breeze 4K. So this footage is at 1080p, 30 frames per second. This is what the Breeze does. And we do have EIS on. As you can see, it's a little shaky, but still acceptable when you consider that the drone is currently at around $200. So that's not bad at all. Again here a bit shaky, and that day there was almost no wind, only 5 kilometers per hour. So this is pretty much the end of the clip for the Breeze. Now let's switch to the Bebop. First thing I did was to play with the exposure knob on the controller. As you can see here, we can get more details in the clouds, or of course we get more details in the shadows. I'm going here for in between. As you can see, the Bebop is very stable, like the EIS is doing a very good job. It was a hazy day, never perfect, like it's too windy or it's raining, or never perfect, but anyway, I thought today was a good day to fly the Bebop. The winds are around 20 to 25 kilometers per hour. Grass is yellow, we're in July, no rain, so it's kind of dead. But yeah, you can see here there's a little bit of jello effect. You can see it right there. So sometimes there is some and sometimes there isn't. So it's kind of, it's hard to tell basically. Maybe it's because it's windy. But overall, I'm very happy with the EIS on the Bebop 2 Power. Yeah, I thought I would finish by showing the drone. I'm at about 15 meters high or 50 feet. The wind is probably a solid 25, even 30 kilometers per hour at that altitude. So you can see how stable the drone is. So overall, I'm very happy with the Bebop. Like I said, I did about 25 flights. I find the EIS to be very stable, but of course you're missing a bit of sharpness in the images because there is no gimbal on the Bebop. So thank you guys for watching this short video. I just wanted to compare the video quality and show you EIS. If you have any questions, post them down below. I'll be happy to get back to you as soon as I can. Have a great day. Goodbye, guys.